All right, Tool Fam, we are back with another drop, another crazy glitch. Well, not that crazy. I mean, if you're a mustard guy, it's pretty crazy. But more on that later. Ryobi dropped a brand new speaker clamp on us this week. It won't be available until right around May, but they are claiming that you can connect 100 of these bad boys together. It's got a reach of 250 feet. I believe 150 feet between the speakers themselves. Check that out. Absolutely ridiculous. Is it legit? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. I'm going to round up as many of these things as I can. I'm going to have friends round up as many of these things as they can. And we're going to have ourselves a nice little concert there. So look forward to that. Moving on, over in the toolbox storage world, because that's a thing now. Everyone and their mother has a set of rolling toolboxes. I did hear that Flex is going to be discontinuing those, by the way. I have no sources for you yet that I can reveal, but I did hear they didn't do so hot. So Klein decided to drop these on us last week, and we had sneak peeks here and there. I do like the customization that you have on these. Now, I know we've got pack outs, we've got pack out cups, pack out racks, pack out stacks, we got everything pack out. But Klein looks like they've hit the ground running. I mean, they've got magnets, they've got cup holders, which I do like the cup holders, by the way. I don't have to slip my cup and twist it on there. I don't even have to pay $30 for that pack out cup. I can just get one of these cup holders, slide it right on, and that looks like a $1 water bottle. I mean, you don't have to break the bank with this set. It doesn't look that way anyway. And I do like their innovative features, like this spool reel right here. That's honestly, that's pretty priceless. I've seen people do this with buckets and stuff on the job sites, mainly electricians or IT guys. This looks like it's going to pay off. Although I might add, if they put just a little hole right there in the front, right under the Klein, oh man, that would be absolutely killer. I'm absolutely going to attempt to mod my pack out rolling boxes to do this as well. So pretty cool. And if you guys take a close look at the mounting system, it looks really, really similar to the Ryobi system. So we'll see how good it is. And of course, what do you guys see right there? What is that right there? That right there is a handle that is off, and it fits under the tonneau cover. Milwaukee. I'm losing my patience with you guys right now. I need a rolling box that fits in my truck bed. All right? I don't want to jerry rig a dolly. I don't want to MacGyver anything. I just want it to work. We pay so much for these boxes, they better work the day we buy them. Moving on, we've got one more brand new tool to check out. Not to be outdone by Milwaukee themselves, man. I feel like they're getting kicked in the teeth right now. Dewalt has a brand new brushless sander coming out soon. It's got tool connect capabilities. It's got a fantastic dust collection. That's why that guy's wearing that mask, because, obviously the dust collection is so good. He needs that mask so he won't breathe that super clean oxygen. Anyway, I'm on a tangent there. Brushless motor. It's got a bigger belt than the M18. I look forward to that. We'll be testing it out. Does that protrude? I think that handle goes past the belt there. Ooh, they might have made a mistake on that. Ooh, it's not adjustable. All right, we're going to have to see where that goes. Anyway, moving on to the mower, and this is important. We're going to talk about this first real quick. You're going to want to check for the rebates available in your area. Normally, these rebates are pushed by your utility providers. Go ahead and check, because that's free money. In my area, this is CPS Energy. Of course, I'm going to take advantage of this because this is an extra $60 on top of the already cheap price of the mower. Now, I don't know what made this drop happen, but the mower itself, 21.5 inches, it's a pretty good mower. There are some issues that I'll talk about in a minute, but you get the mower and two of the largest non-flex volt batteries that Dewalt makes. I don't think they make anything bigger in 20 volt than a 10. Now, let's talk about the issues with this mower. There are some modifications that you will have to do if you go through with this purchase. First of all, charge those batteries as soon as you get them. I have issues with one of my 10s. I do own this mower with two 10s. One of my 10s won't charge past halfway, and it struggles to power any 20 volt tools. The other 10, absolutely fantastic, powers everything fantastically. I think it has 21700 cells, so it's going to give you that little extra oomph, kind of like a 6, but better. And as for the mower, it is no slouch. It is fantastic, picks up mulches, does everything you need it to do. But there are some issues with the belt tension on this mower. If you feel that the mower is struggling or smoking, you are going to have to loosen the tension on the mower. It will burn up the motor. I haven't had that happen to me. I did notice it. I was able to fix it. It's not that difficult. You just have to disassemble it from the bottom, loosen the belt, put it back together. It takes about 15 minutes. Done. Now, as of the time of filming this video, there are, I believe, over 100 of these left in stock for shipping. So link will be in the description down below. That's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to take advantage of those rebates. Have at it. Good luck.